எண்ணும் எழுத்தும்.
Read aloud cards from the story The Great Cooking Contest from Class 3 textbook. Crafts: stove, peeling, soaked, mixed, winner, kitchen, contest, cutting, added, ate, crash, allowed, without, fruit salad, aval laddu, honey, panic, in a kitchen, fell down, took a cup of, in the contest, posted a note, cook without fire, mixed them well, on the mic, to the school head, is the winner. Thank you.